Kaya I could say na you have to choose your friends very carefully.
Kasi si Derek, hindi natin kasama ngayon. Si Derek ang bangka natin. Gets mo ako siya yung pag-uusapan natin kasi pangit yung ugali ni Derek.
Nagpapaser.
Nagpapaser si Derek. Pinapagalitan ako. Okay, carry on na kasi
Ang masasabi ko sa friendship, ang maganda kasi sa friendship, like any kind of relationship, we have the ability to choose. Unlike siguro yung siyempre yung mga family members natin, we cannot choose our own family. Pero pagdating sa girlfriend mo, sa boyfriend mo, and even friends mo, you have the ability to choose. Kaya I could say na you have to choose your friends very carefully. So yung mga ganyang parang ma-avoid mo yung mga ganyang klase ng incidents of backstabbing or chismis, because the way you choose your friends will have a great impact and influence sa buhay mo. So relationships can either make you or break you. Either they can influence you to greatness, or maybe they could, sabi mo nga, pull you down to bottom pit. So parang mahalaga na magkaroon tayo ng tamang pagpili ng kaibigan, while at the same time acknowledging na pwede pa rin talagang magkamali ka eventually.